Everyone, so today I'm making this beautiful rose flower and I'm using some light color because it's too dark and it's not that much visible. So I'm using this red color and this is 2-ply yarn and I'm using 2.5 mm hook. Okay, so let's start. It's very easy. So if you are beginner, you can also make such kind of beautiful flower for your hair accessories or bag charm or whatever you want to do with that. So first we'll start with one slip knot, and now I'm going to make chains. So we'll make 25 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have to make 25 chains. So I have done with 25 chains. Now what we have to do, we have to skip the first one and we are going to make one half double crochet in the second chain. Okay, this will be half. In the next one we're going to make one double crochet. Now in the next chain we are going to make one double crochet. We're going to make one chain and we are going to make one slip stitch or a picot in this, and again we are going to make two double crochet, one and one more, two. Okay, so this one is our very first petal like this. Okay, moving to the next, we have to follow the same pattern. So this two double crochet is already done. So in the next one we are going to make one and one chain and one picot and slip. Okay, now again in the next stitch we are going to make two double crochet, one and two. Now we have to increase the size of third one. So what we are going to do, we are going to do yarn over 2 times or a triple crochet in the next chain. 1 2 3. We're going to make one chain and in this we make picot. I hope you all know picot. If you don't know, you can please share your comments, so I will let you know. Now again we are going to make two double crochet, one and one more, two. So now this pattern we have to follow in all over our 25 chains. Okay, so I'll do it and then I'll see you at the end. Okay, so see, I have done it. It will look something like this. This whole 25 chains are now converted into beautiful flower. Okay, now what we have to do at the last, we have to make one slip stitch like this, and we'll take a long yarn to stitch the flower. If you're not very much into stitching, you can paste it with some kind of a fabric glue. Okay, so this is needle, and now what I'm going to do, start from this side where we have done small petals, make it, you can roll it like this, so it will convert into a beautiful flower. See? Okay, so now first we'll stitch you have to go through all the petals from inside. Stitch them all together so it won't come out. See, there is no need to make any kind of knot or something, but you have to stitch all the petals and do it with the same colors. So if you use some other color, it will be visible. So right now my flower is almost done because none of its petals coming out. Okay, so I can cut this yarn. So see how beautiful this flower is looking. Okay, so this is my first color and this is my second color. This one is very dark, this one is light. You can make pink or any other color you want. So thanks for watching, and if you like, please hit the like button, share your comments. If you have any query, you can please share your comments. Okay, thank you. Bye bye everyone.